Hello and welcome to Verdictum. I'm Sheetal June and you're watching today's legal news where we update you with the latest legal developments across the country. Starting with the headlines. High Court can quash FIRs even after charge sheet is filed, Supreme Court. Officers conducting martial proceedings should be trained on the subject, Delhi High Court. Allahabad High Court asks trial courts to not issue certified copies of statements under Section 164 CrPC to any person till cognizance is taken. Pakistan's Karachi University deems High Court judge's degree invalid after 40 years. Now the news in detail. The Supreme Court has reiterated that High Court is empowered under Section 482 CrPC to quash an FIR in a criminal case even after the charge sheet has been filed if it is satisfied that the continuing process will result in abuse of the process of law. A division bench of Justice Dipankar Datta and Justice Ujjal Bhuyan set aside a Gujarat High Court's order declining to end the proceedings related to 2002 dowry harassment case despite parties having obtained divorce by mutual consent in 2004. The court said that High Court under Section 482 CrPC retains the power to quash an FIR even after charge sheet under Section 173(2) CrPC is filed, provided a satisfaction is reached among others that either the FIR and the charge sheet read together, even accepted as true and correct without rebuttal, does not disclose commission of any offence. Continuation of proceedings arising out of such an FIR would in fact be an abuse of the process of law as well as the court given the peculiar circumstances of each particular case it observed. The Delhi High Court has ordered the personnel detailed to conduct court-martial proceedings in the Border Security Force (BSF) have mandatory periodical training on the topic in conformity with the law in a decision that could have consequences for the defence forces. A division bench with this view overturned a BSF constable's conviction and subsequent dismissal from service by Summary Security Force Court (SSFC) for alleged connivance in cross-border smuggling, saying that officers must understand that these trials are more than just formalities. They are critical to ensuring justice and maintaining discipline in the force by adhering to the prescribed procedure. The High Court's decision is significant in view of many court-martial procedures in the armed forces and central armed police forces being dismissed by higher legal bodies, typically due to procedural flaws. Several times in the past, the Supreme Court, the High Courts, and the Armed Forces Tribunal have made negative comments about how the forces' trial have been conducted. The Allahabad High Court has asked the trial courts not to issue certified copies of the statements recorded under Section 164 of Code of Criminal Procedure (CrPC) or Section 138 of the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita (BNSS) to any person till cognizance of the charge sheet is taken. A division bench of Justice Vivek Kumar Birla and Justice Arun Kumar Singh Deshwal, while criticizing the practice of annexing the statement of the victim recorded under Section 164 Code of Criminal Procedure by the accused, asked the magistrates and courts to not issue certified copies of the statement recorded under Section 164 CrPC to any person till cognizance is taken on the charge sheet or the police report. The court noted that in several cases, the statements recorded under Section 164 CrPC are being filed by the accused before the court while challenging FIR under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, and said that this practice has been strictly deprecated by the Supreme Court in State of Karnataka versus Shivana and in A versus the State of UP. The syndicate of the University of Karachi has cancelled the degree of a High Court judge after 40 years at the Unfair Means Committee's recommendation. The announcement came after the alleged illegal detention of a syndicate member, Raiz Ahmed, by 3 police stations. Ahmed said that he objected to an agenda which involved Islamabad High Court Judge Tariq Mahmood Jahangir's degree, which was issued 40 years ago. After Ahmed was allegedly kidnapped, probably to prevent him from attending the meeting went ahead without him and the syndicate decided to cancel the judge's degree. That was all on today's legal news. Thank you and keep watching Verdictum. Subscribe to our channel and download the Verdictum app on iOS and Android devices for latest legal updates.